Did you hear the news? The U.S. labor market took a surprising hit. Job creation fell far below expectations, sending the dollar tumbling. In the next few minutes, we'll highlight the top 5 stories impacting Forex and crypto this week. Meanwhile, Bitcoin faced quite a rollercoaster ride. Welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into major market movements from July 6, 2026. We'll cover the labor market shock, a shift in Fed leadership, soaring gold and silver prices, Bitcoin ETF dynamics, and plummeting oil prices. Plus, we'll preview next week's economic calendar. Let's jump in. Our first story focuses on the surprising non-farm payrolls report. Analysts forecasted 110,000 new jobs. The real figure? Just 57,000. This steep drop has serious implications, with unemployment rising to 4.2%. Consequently, the chances for a Fed rate hike in September decreased significantly. Unsurprisingly, the dollar took a nosedive. Next, a major development at the Federal Reserve. Jerome Powell has completed his tenure, and Kevin Warsh is the new chair. This change is crucial. The upcoming FOMC meeting minutes, led by Warsh, will provide insight into future policy decisions. Traders are eager to see how this transition affects monetary policy. Our third story highlights precious metals. Following the disappointing jobs report, both gold and silver witnessed sharp rises. Gold closed around $4,187, while silver hit over $63. With the dollar weak, we saw EUR/USD climb to 1.1437. If Fed signals lean dovish, this could push prices even higher. In contrast, Brent crude oil plummeted, creating uncertainty. Turning to cryptocurrency, Bitcoin showcased impressive volatility this week. After hitting a new cycle low, it bounced back to reclaim $62,000. This shift followed a significant inflow into Bitcoin ETFs. Despite tough circumstances in June, whales are accumulating, buying over 270,000 BTC recently. Now, let's look at next week's important events. Monday features the ISM Services PMI. Wednesday highlights the crucial FOMC meeting minutes and the RBNZ rate decision. Additionally, we'll see China's CPI and German labor market data on Friday. Stay alert. Fed officials speaking could impact the markets. In summary, we're at a pivotal point in the markets. Weak job data could prompt the Fed to shift policy, potentially weakening the dollar. This environment may benefit gold, silver, and Bitcoin. However, keep an eye on the FOMC minutes, they could change everything. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications. We bring you insights like this every week. Share your thoughts in the comments. Will the Fed lower rates next meeting? Catch you in the next video.